So I've made it here to my campground in Mount Hood National Forest. I'm getting ready to set up camp and then to build a fire and make a little dinner. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow morning. I'm gonna wake up really early with the sunrise and I'm gonna go hit the trail early, and I'm doing McNeil Point tomorrow as well as Bald Mountain. It's gonna be awesome. About 14 miles of hiking, hopefully awesome views of Mount Hood. Really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a relaxing night out here right next to this rushing stream behind me. Camping's gonna be awesome, and first and foremost, gonna go chill some beers. Let's go. Oh yeah, very cold. Ready to go. All right, so I have a decent amount of kindling here, definitely enough to get me started anyway, and once I get a little flame going, I can go collect a little more as it burns. Got some smaller stuff here to get started with, and then it kind of increases in size. Got a pound of ground meat here, potatoes, carrots, all seasoned up. About to throw it in the fire here for a little bit and then eat. All right, it's just after 5 in the morning and I've started here on the Pacific Crest Trail. I'm on my way up to Bald Mountain. This trail is already beautiful, blooming with wildflowers. This is the most magical hike I have ever done. Just incredible. This bird song is incredible. I'm pretty sure I'm hiking through a cloud now. It's very interesting. I took my jacket off a little earlier because I got hot and now I'm cold again. That's the Pacific Northwest for you. Now I've hit snow patches. All right, it looks like this is as far as I'm gonna make it. I am not going to make it to my destination, McNeil Point, today because there's too much snow and I don't have sunglasses. Being out here is just blinding. It's very exposed and I just like can't see. I've been hiking in this snow for, just over 15 minutes and my eyes are killing me. I do have Microspikes because I thought there might be a little bit of snow and ice, but this is just a little ridiculous, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn back now. All right, I'm heading down now. I'm gonna put the camera away in a minute and just enjoy the nature for the remainder of the hike here. If you wanna come out here, it's McNeil Point. I also did Bald Mountain starting from Pacific Crest Trail off of LoLo Pass. Thanks for watching and happy hiking.